The book. Not only does it look good on your shelf, sitting on your desk, this is a book of everything to rebuild civilization if it ever shall fall. The ultimate guide to rebuild civilization. This book is absolutely gorgeous. It is enormous. Very well made. I love the quality of the book. Got everything you need in here. The illustrations are phenomenal. Everything from how to make fire, to purifying your own water, growing your own food, finding food that's edible, edible and inedible plants, tying knots. This book is filled with everything you need.